Thank you, Lord. God bless you.
Kareem Bellamy says it's the happiest day of his life, set free after being convicted of stabbing a man to death more than 15 years ago in Far Rockaway.
I'm an innocent man. I had nothing to do with what happened.
Bellamy was convicted in 1995, but continued to insist he was innocent. A new team of attorneys and investigators took on his case in 2004, including a former FBI agent and a former NYPD officer. They say the DA's office didn't want to listen.
He was hell-bent on keeping Kareem in jail, and I think it was wrong. And I truly think, but I didn't think he was innocent. I would never, ever have been involved in this case.
Lawyers say the most important new evidence was a 2008 confession made to a friend by the man they claim actually committed the crime. They say the same person confessed shortly after the murder, but it was never properly investigated. A state Supreme Court judge agreed to grant a new trial, but the Queens DA's office told the court under current laws, it could not successfully go to trial and convict Bellamy again. So it reluctantly asked for the case to be tossed out, but not before saying Bellamy is free because of a legal technicality.
Mr. Bellamy has now been freed from that conviction based on an outright fraud perpetrated against this court. He has not been exonerated.
What more proof do you need? They want James to come out the grave and say, he didn't kill me, you know?
The defense team says dozens of people worked on this case for free. Otherwise, it would have required millions in legal fees. They say they found witnesses and evidence to prove Bellamy was innocent.
It's not only about Mr. Bellamy. It's about how people got together, saw a just cause, and totally committed themselves to undo this horrific wrong.
Bellamy says for all of the prisoners out there who say they are truly innocent, he says they should keep pushing forward to try to prove that. He says his case is evidence that it can happen. At State Supreme Court in Queens, Dean Meminger, New York 1.